new to the channel, my name is Mo. I'm in my 2008 Pontiac G8 GT, and I also have a 1999 Dodge Durango. You probably see me in one of my videos of my G8 though, but go ahead, hit that. If you look at the bottom, look in the corner, you're gonna see that Pontiac symbol. It says Mo Nation in the middle. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So I got some bad news. I'm on my way to try to get my phone fixed, and I recorded a bunch of footage of installing the taillights and also wrapping my car, which I gotta redo anyway. So that footage is gonna be in here. I gotta redo that, and so I mean, it is what it is. It looks all right, but it's a little funky. I ain't gonna lie. You can see my lines not straight and all that stuff. So but I'm gonna put a couple of videos of the taillights, the new taillights that I put on, and oh snap! But I got my Corvette sitting right here. But yeah, so somehow the footage didn't get on the GoPro. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's the memory card. I don't know, but none of the footage got on the GoPro of me installing doing the wrap and installing the rear cover, the rear spoiler for the window. So I'm going, like I said, I'm on the way to go get my phone fixed so I can put some of that footage in there, and then I'm gonna try to have this video up by sometime this week. I'm gonna be redoing. You can see me taking off the wrap and redoing it. So hopefully when I redo it, that it goes on good. So I'll see y'all it's probably be like the next day or later tonight, I don't know. But y'all gonna see, I don't know, I'm gonna try to get this done by tomorrow. So let's go ahead and fast forward and flip it to that.
The next day.
All right, so what's up everybody? Unfortunately, I got some bad news. Like I said in my previous, my GoPro didn't save the videos of me wrapping the trunk and installing the spoiler. Somehow the videos didn't, I don't know what happened. Maybe it's something I did, maybe it's user error, maybe it was my GoPro, the memory card or something like that. Maybe I did delete some stuff, so I might have deleted it. So I have to redo it, so I'm gonna record that. I already installed the window spoiler and the tail light, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the parts where I'm installing the tail lights, and then you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you me installing the taillights and the difference between the two taillights that I do have. So the other taillights is for sale. So let's go ahead and cut to that scene. Alright, so since we finished with that, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, because I did a whole how to take off the tail lights, but I deleted. So what we're gonna do is, you gotta take this off first. There's 4 little pins. You take that off. See that pin back here? You take that off first. And then when you pull that off, you can pull back this carpet piece right here. And then there's 3 bolts that hold the tail lights. Once you pull that out, I don't know why, but I always have trouble pulling the tail lights out. But once you take those bolts off, that's it. It comes off, and then you just pop the other one in, pop the connectors in, and if something's not working right, you just make sure you connected everything right. So we're about to go ahead and switch to redoing the trunk. It looked good, but like I said, I want to redo it, try to see if I bought so the color that I'm doing is, I got this from Amazon, from Vivid. This is the color that I'm doing. It's red metallic, matte metallic red. So I didn't want to go with a bright red. I wanted something that was just gonna be like a subtle look, like just enough to kind of complement the car. Trying to set it off, because the taillights definitely make it look different. And then with the wrap, I'm looking at the wrap now. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it definitely gives it a different look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because they see everything first. So follow me on Instagram. So let's go ahead. I gotta take the old one off, and then I'm about to start wrapping it. I'm about to put the new one on. I went and get me a heat gun to see if that helped me put the new one on. Hopefully it goes on good. If not, then I'm gonna have to order another one, and this video title would be failed attempt at wrapping my G8 GT. So let's hope it's not that. So this is my first time, well, second time wrapping something. I did my door handles. I didn't do it that good, but they was good enough. Don't have a squeegee. Alright everybody, so that was a failed attempt to wrapping the trunk again, but I did a better job than what I did last time. From far away it looks good, but once you get close up on it, it looks ugly as hell. I'm gonna show y'all, but I ain't gonna show y'all close up because it looks ugly as hell. So that's what it looks like from far away. That's what it's gonna look like when I get it done right. Either I'm gonna bring it somewhere to get done, or I'm just gonna keep doing it and doing it until I get it right. So as we speak right now, I'm ordering more wraps. I'm ordering some more to redo it. So that's what it looked like with it wrapped. See the window, rear window spoiler wrapped at the top. And then unfortunately today somehow I broke my door handle. So I don't know, I have no clue how that happened. So that'll be another video. I have to rewrap the door handle, rewrap it, and then install it. And then I'm also thinking about wrapping some other stuff on the car. So that's gonna be another video about wrapping other stuff once I get this wrap done right. Like I said, either I'll bring it to somebody, I get it done right, or I just keep doing it until I get it done right. But stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna be installing the front splitter, G8 only front splitter that I got. I'm gonna be installing that. But I mean, it's coming together. The next big mod I'm thinking about getting is either suspension, drop it just a little bit, or exhaust. But I think I'm just let me know what y'all think. I might make a poll, and just let me know what y'all think I should get first, suspension or exhaust. I mean, obviously it sounds good, but It's too much drone. So, oh man, this right here, that pissed me off today. Hey, completely. Let me know if you got a G8. Have you ever had that problem before? The door handle coming off. Apparently, it's not hard to take off and replace, but I mean, out of everything, the door handle. Like I can't. I don't know. So, and then like I don't know if I said this in another video that I recorded, but I'm going to be doing a video on doing the Chemical Guys waterless wash. And as you can see, my car is real dirty. So, gonna do another video on that. And hopefully I can get this wrap right. But it looks good. Let me show y'all what it looks like with the tail lights. So this is what it looks like with the tail lights on. And then I really like the signal lights. I know it's sometimes it's just the little things that make it So I got a couple more things that I want to wrap on here, that same color. So whenever I can get the trunk done right, I don't know, maybe I'll call somebody. No, if you in San Antonio, you know how to wrap cars, hit me up. I'll pay whatever. I'm not paying an arm and a leg, but if you can show me how to wrap this car, hit me up. If you're in San Antonio or the surrounding area, hit me up. Mosquitoes attacking me. So, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for taking your time out and watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Look in the corner. Hit the triangle. You see that Pontiac symbol? Go ahead, hit that Pontiac symbol. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. And I'm gonna keep the videos coming and try to get a video out every week. Every week I'm gonna have something out. Either it's gonna be about the Durango, it's gonna be about the G8, or it's gonna be a family vlog. It's gonna be different things. I'm gonna try to label because I know some of y'all don't want to watch the family vlogs, or some of y'all just want to watch the G8, or some of y'all here for the Durango. But still, if you're not subscribed, we're gonna be doing big things. So again, one last time,